Hi guys, and welcome back. Today we're going to be doing a brand new unboxing. Today we're going to be unboxing the number 51 of the Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse. Here it is. But well, before we get into this, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, if you like this collection, if you like building the dollhouse with me, make sure to leave a like down below. And guys, be sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Cosas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, with that being said, let's go ahead, let's get into this. Alright guys, we have everything out of the initial plastic, and now it's time to check out the magazine. Up at the top we have the title of the collection, Build and Decorate Your Dollhouse, of course in the Victorian style. And down below it says, enjoy this elegant and spectacular home of your dreams. And guys, this is the number 51. If you would like to see the previous 50, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in the end cards in the end of the video. And guys, this is the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. It looks really cool. I can't wait to finish it with you guys. And guys, this is from Editorial Salvat, which is the same company that makes the Marvel figures which I unbox. If you're interested in seeing that, all you have to do is check out the playlist located in my channel. Alright, so here it talks about the office for the father. There we have it there. There's a fireplace. He has a desk. It looks really cool. Here's all of the list of the things that he has in the office. And here it says books. And it talks about the books during the Victorian age. Because back then, of course, they didn't have TV, at least for the good portion of the Victorian age. The only way they had to get information were books and newspapers, that sort of thing. Radio. And here it shows you step by step how to make like a mosaic for your dollhouse. Here it gives you all of the tools that you'll need. And it walks you through step by step of how to do it. Sorry guys, this is a bit hard to turn. There we go. But guys, as I always say with this collection, don't worry. I will walk you through how to do each one of these little side projects. And we will build the dollhouse together. So make sure to hit the red subscribe button And make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course, guys, if you like this collection, if you like doll houses, make sure to leave a like down below. This is really cool. See the camels. And here it talks about the Viscount Ferdinand de Lesseps. I'm sorry if I butchered that, but it gives a little bit of information about him. And well, guys, that's the end of that. We have the front of the dollhouse, how it will look once we have it completed. And well, guys, now it's time to check out the new additions to our dollhouse. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, so we have this triangle for the roof of that same Frankenwood that's been in all of the pieces for the actual dollhouse. It's kind of thickish, and I'm going to show you the other side, which is just the same. And it's kind of the size of my hand, guys. And well, guys, now it's time to unbox our new plates that we got. So let's go ahead and let's do that now. Okay, guys, so let's go ahead and let's open this up. Alright, guys, so we have first up this little silver plate. It looks really cute. I'm going to show you the other side. And then I'm going to show you the other one, which is just the same. I'm going to show you the other side. It looks really cool. And then, guys, we have a little teacup. There's the inside. There's the bottom. And then there's the other teacup. The bottom. so small. And well guys, I hope you enjoyed this unboxing. If you did, make sure to leave a like down below. And while you're moseying around down there guys, make sure to hit that beautiful red subscribe button. And guys, make sure to hit the bell so that way YouTube will be able to let you guys know whenever I post something new or whenever I start a new live stream. And of course guys, make sure to go on over and subscribe to my awesome husband's channel, which is called Costas Partiner. It's a Spanish speaking channel that does gaming how-tos, reviews, unboxings, lots of cool stuff guys. I will have his links down in the description below. And well guys, I will see you later. Have a great day. Bye bye.